Alright guys, this is a early to mid 1960s freshened Aire by Cory. 3-speed deluxe automatic 20-inch box fan made by McGraw-Edison. Picked this one up today at a flea market for $10. It's overall, it looks better than it really is. It is actually kind of beat up. It doesn't really look like it. Like, the paint still looks pretty good, other than right here, it's got a big old scratch. Other than that, the front of the fan, from the front, the thing looks like it's in great shape. But then, when you get to the back, you begin to see the problems. You can see that corner is very bent down and in. It's got another crease in the frame there, which means it was probably dropped and the handle broke. It's got another crease there, another one there where the big dent is. The grills are rusty. They're supposed to be the same color as the fan, but they look like they're rust color now. That tapping noise it's making is that electrical tape that was originally holding the wires back. It is now loose and hitting the blades. So I'm going to have to do something about that. So this one's going to take some work, but I'm hoping I can get all them dents and creases and stuff out and get this one back to good shape, because that's a pretty nice fan. So this one's worth the work to get fixed up. Anyway, that's it for this video, so thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed, and look for a video of this fan all fixed up.